Good morning, students. Today, let's learn transgenic plants or genetically modified crops. What do you mean by transgenic plants? Genetically engineered plant species called transgenic plants. These plants were made to resist insect, pest, viruses or herbicides through incorporation of foreign gene into DNA of host plant cells. How to do this technique? Agrobacterium tumefaciens, a soil inhibiting bacterium, has plasmid. First, isolate that plasmid, then incorporate the desired DNA in the plasmid. Desired means disease resistance or pest resistance or herbicide tolerance, etc. Now this plasmid contains new DNA. This rDNA introduced into the plant cell. Then the plant cell cultured and developed new plant with new character. First, let's see herbicide tolerant plants. Herbicide means weedicide. What do you mean by weed? Weeds are unwanted plants. Nowadays, weeds are a constant problem in crop field. Weeds not only compete with crops for sunlight, water, nutrients and space, but also acts as a carrier for insects and diseases. If left uncontrolled, weeds can reduce crop yield significantly. For example, glyphosate is a herbicide or weedicide. Its trade name Roundup. Its chemical name phosphonomethylglycine. If we use this chemical as a herbicide, it kills the plants by blocking an enzyme produced by plants. That enzyme is 5-enopyruvate shikimate 3-phosphate synthase enzyme. In short, EPSPS. This enzyme involved in the biosynthesis of aromatic amino acids, vitamins and many secondary plant metabolites. If we use this glyphosate herbicide, not only kills the unwanted weeds but also greatly affects the field crops. In order to protect the crops are modified to glyphosate tolerant. There are several ways by which crops can be modified to glyphosate tolerant. One strategy is to incorporate a soil bacterium gene that produces a glyphosate tolerant form of EPSPS. Another way is to incorporate a different soil bacterium gene that produces a glyphosate degrading enzyme. For example, this can be achieved in potato plant by introduction of BOR gene through vector. Culture the cell with BOR gene. Now it becomes herbicide tolerance potato cells. Cells undergone in vitro culture, it develops into herbicide tolerant transgenic plants. Now, if we use this glyphosate herbicide in the potato field, it will kill only the weeds, not crop plants. Next one is herbicide tolerant Basta. Basta, that is a kind of herbicide or weedicide. Basta containing the chemical compound phosphinothrysin. Medicago sativa, it's commonly called Kudirai Masal. Naturally, this plant has herbicide tolerant capacity. Basta herbicide tolerant gene PPT, that is L-phosphinothrysin, was isolated from Medicago sativa plant. It inhibits the enzyme glutamine synthase, which is involved in ammonia assimilation. Ammonia is the major element needed for all the physiological process. The isolated PPT gene was introduced into the tobacco plant. Now the tobacco plant becomes the transgenic tobacco plant. This tobacco plant have a capacity to tolerate herbicide Basta. Similar enzyme was isolated from Streptomyces hygroscopicus with BOR gene encodes for PAT, that is phosphinothrysin acetyltransferase. If we introduce this gene into the crop plants like potato and sugar beet, these plants also becomes BASTA herbicide tolerance. What are the advantages of herbicide tolerance crops? It improves crop yield, it reduces spray of herbicide, it also reduces competition between crop plant and weed, use of low toxicity compounds which do not remain active in the soil, and also it is used to conserve soil structure and soil microbes. Insects are the major problem in crop field for its lower yield. To stop this, scientists have developed genetically modified pest resistant plant varieties. Among the one, BT cotton. BT cotton is a genetically modified pest resistant cotton variety which produces an insecticide activity to bollworm. Strains of bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produce over 200 different Bt toxin. Bt, the name derived from the genus and species of this bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. These different Bt toxins harmful to different insects. Most Bt toxins are insecticidal to the larvae of moth, butterflies, beetles, cotton bollworms and gadflies, but are harmless to other forms of life. Insecticidal activity depends on a toxic protein called endotoxin. The gene coded for synthesis of this endotoxin was isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporated into the cotton plant. Now this plant have a capacity to produce crytoxin. When insects attack and eat the cotton plant, the crytoxin or endotoxin enter insect's stomach, which leads to death of the insect. What are the advantages of BT cotton? Yield of cotton is increased due to effective control of bollworm. Reduction in insecticide used in cultivation of BT cotton. Potential reduction in the cost of cultivation. BT cotton has some limitations. Cost of BT cotton seed is high. Effectiveness up to 120 days. After that, efficiency is reduced. Ineffective against sucking pests like Jesetts, aphids and whitefly. It affects pollinating insects also. These are the limitations of BT cotton plant. Next one is BT brinjal. BT brinjal is another kind of transgenic plant created by inserting a crystal protein gene. This protein isolated from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis and incorporate into the genome of various brinjal cultivars. The insertion of the gene along with other genetic elements such as promoters, terminators and antibiotic resistant marker gene into the brinjal plant. This genetic transformation takes place with the help of agrobacterium. Now the BT brinjal has been developed to give resistance against Lepidopteran insects, that is a group of insects. Particularly this brinjal give resistance against Leucinodus arbonalis, that is a kind of fruit and shoot borer of brinjal. Next one is Thara mustard hybrid. It is a genetically modified herbicide tolerant mustard. Mustard developed by group of scientists in Delhi University. This mustard contains 3 genes. They are BAR gene, Barnase and BAR star. These genes isolated from soil bacterium and incorporate into the mustard. The BAR gene had made resistance to herbicide named BASTA. Next